In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Calendly meeting invitation. Let's dive right in and make the process as simple as possible for you. To begin, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Calendly's website. Once you're on the homepage, direct your attention to the top right corner and click on the Login button. This will take you to the Login options where you'll see the choice to continue with Google. Go ahead and select this option, which will prompt you to choose which Google account you'd like to use. Pick your desired account, and you'll be logged into Calendly. With that done, you're now on your Calendly dashboard. Look at the top left corner and click on Create. This begins the process for setting up a new meeting invitation. Next, you'll need to decide on the type of event you want to create. Today, we're opting for the one-on-one meeting type, which is perfect if you're setting up a personalized meeting with just one other person. Now, it's time to give your meeting a name. Type in a descriptive name that clearly reflects the meeting's purpose, as this will be what your attendees see when they receive the invitation. Once the name is set, you'll need to choose the duration of your meeting. Consider how much time you'll require and select accordingly from the options provided. Next, let's set the meeting's location. For our example, we'll choose in person, but if you're meeting virtually, you can select one of the available online meeting options. The next vital step is to set your availability. You'll see a pencil icon. Click on it to adjust when you're free to host this meeting. This allows you to set specific days and times, making it easier for your attendee to find a suitable slot. After this, you need to designate the host for the event. This is typically your name and email. It's important to ensure this is accurate, as this will be the point of contact for your attendee. With all these details in place, you can now click on the Create button, which will finalize your meeting setup. The last step is all about sharing. Locate the Copy Link button at the top of your screen. Click it, and you can then paste this link into an email or message to send directly to your attendee. This link allows them to see the meeting details and choose a time according to the availability you've set. And there you have it, a seamlessly created Calendly meeting invitation ready to be shared. I hope you found this guide helpful. Thank you for watching, and happy scheduling.